Hi, Shaylin with WTI, and I want to share with you my favorite little travel jewelry case. This Parima personalized jewelry case is so super cute. Look at that pearl initial. I'm absolutely loving it. And I do love that the inside is so durable and multifunctional. It holds all kinds of small jewelry, and it has a sponge strip for rings. It's got compartments and detachable dividers, elastic pockets in the back for chains, including bracelets or necklaces. I love that the lining is a good thickened velvet, so it's going to protect your jewelry from scratching, and any of the dainty metals that you're going to put in there, you don't have to worry about any damage being done. This little jewelry box just really does so many different things. It's so multifunctional. I love that it has a place for everything that I need, a little mirror, and it just zips and unzips with so much ease. And look at everything that I really packed in there. Pretty much everything I would need for a small getaway. And I mean, look at it. It's so super cute, beautiful color. It's got my initial. Great for yourself, great for a gift, just overall super cute jewelry case. So if you're traveling or if you just want it to look cute, this personalized little travel jewelry case is perfect for you, and that is my point of view.